Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find hardwood. Because hardwood's like the tier 2 wood that you need to build different things, including different higher level machines and their various components, and you also need it to build logging site number 2. And when you open up your inventory and read it, it says that it's carefully selected from sturdy trees grown in harsh environments such as deserts, volcanic regions, and snowy mountains. Now, if you look inside of your map, you can find this basically where it's extremely cold or it's extremely hot. It's really just that simple. These are any of the higher level areas like the Snowy Mountain, the Volcanic Island, Faybreak Island, or the Big Desert. So the place that I'm going to go for it is actually here at the foot of the volcano, which is the actual name of the teleport. And the coordinates for that are -354 and -487. Now, the reason why I selected the foot of the mountain for my logging site of choice is because you can actually go up pretty far on the mountainside up here before you actually need a lot higher level fire resist on your armor, because your armor you'll want like a level 2 fire resist to go all the way up the side of this mountain. Now I could easily build that at this level, but I don't really want to yet. I just want to build that logging site. So there's 2 sets of wood that you can find here on this island. The first is just the green over there, and that's not what I want. What I want is this scraggly, ugly looking stuff. This is what's considered the hardwood on this island. So you can easily tell, because it tells you when it's dropped on the ground, it says hit F to pick up hardwood, that these ones are actually dropping what I want. If I go chop down these green trees are just regular wood. Including these funnier looking ones that you might think are hardwood, that kind of look like swamp trees. These ones right here. These ones are literally just made out of regular old-fashioned wood and wood fibers, and it's not what you want. The other thing that's convenient about this spot is this little teleporter has a whole bunch of hardwood literally surrounding the teleporter, so you don't really have to go more than 4 feet in order to get a whole bunch of it. You're also going to need a slightly higher level axe if you want to actually meaningfully harvest this stuff. I'm currently rocking just the tier 3 axe, the refined metal axe, and that one you can end up getting not at like 44, but up a little bit. You can make the refined stuff at level 34. I think you can even get away with just the metal axe and just the metal pick to harvest stuff in these areas, but it helps you to farm faster if you have higher level materials. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to find hardwood. If you're looking for how to find ancient bark you can find over on Wildlife Refuge number 1. Which is right to the south of the starter zone, and the sort of coordinates for this, if I'm in the middle of the island, is 56, -674. If you need that bark, you go to this island and there's just these glowing stumps everywhere. Those are the ones that you want. Watch out for the single drone that's lurking around the edge. That'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.